Hello, I'm Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistants, and today I'll be showing you how to use lists in Python. And so we already have our file open here, list example, and you'll see that we have three different types of lists here. We have full list, bounded list, and specific index location list. And so for the first one up here, it just says print class list. And so what that means, it'll just print everything in my array right here. But down here for bounded list, it has 0 through 5. So in the 0 location will be right here, Jeremy, and then it stops at 5, but in this case it'll actually stop at 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll stop at Donna. So if we wanted to actually stop at 5, we would have to change that to 6, but for now we're just going to leave that at 5. And then down here, specific index location is the actual location of each set in the array. So 0 will still be Jeremy, but 5 in this case will actually be Blair. So let's go ahead and run this so we can see it. And you'll see down here our full list, it printed out everything for us. And then the bounded list, it started at Jeremy and then ended at Donna. And then for the specific index location, showed Jeremy. And then for 5, it showed Blair. So let's go ahead and change these around a little bit. So for this one, we'll say 1. So 1 should, in this case, be Gerald. And we'll have it stop at 4, but it should stop at 3 instead. And then for the specific index location, we'll put 2 and 4. And we'll go ahead and run this. And so you'll see it starts at 1, so Gerald, and then ends at Jonas, which is considered 4, because it stops short at 3. But then when we go for the actual locations here, for 2, it's Sarah, right there, so 0, 1, 2. And then for the 4th slot, it's Donna, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with that, I've shown you how to use lists in Python. I'm Jeremy, thank you for watching.